Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. If you want to add a audio play button with download option on your blogger site or website, then this video is only for you. Dear viewers, I am Lutfur Rahman, behalf of my channel. Thanks a lot for watching my channel, and you are earnestly requested to subscribe my channel if you really love ICT and tech related content. Let's start our topic. In some time, we need to add a audio play button on our blogger site in order to um, show a audio content for the audience. Then what will you do? No tension, this channel is only for you and this video is only for you. This video will guide you how to add audio play button with download option on your blogger site. So without any kinds of delay, we will go to the desktop screen and started to add our audio play button on our websites. So let's go. Dear viewers, you are watching the channel of Lutfur Rahman, the digital expert. Dear viewers, welcome back again to the laptop screen. Want to enhance your blogger website with an audio feature that allows your visitor to listen to audio content and even download it? You are in the right place. In this easy to follow tutorial, we will show you exactly how to add in audio button with a download option to your blog or website. Follow along with our step-by-step guide to make your blogger site more engaging and interactive. Whether you want to share podcast, music, interviews, or any audio content, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process. Dear viewers, let's get started. At first, we have to open our desired blog site. This is the desired blog site of mine. Now I will add here a audio play button with download option. After this line, this is the cursor here. Now I will add here. So let's start it. Let's get started. Now you have to convert this page into HTML view. HTML view. So what you will have to do, just you have to paste a code, HTML code. Where you can get this code, I will give you this code into my video description. Then you have to collect this code and you have to change a bit of link here. I mean Google Drive link you have to change here. Replace this Google Drive link because you have to add a download option with this button. So let's go. This is the audio button code. You can see here on the screen. Look very carefully. This is the drive link for download option. You have to change from here to last, before the inverted comma. Just you have to replace this code. At first you have to download your audio and you have to put this audio into the drive and create a link suitable for all, and then you have to collect this shortcode after ID. You can see under this code, Google Drive code, this is the full code, but you have to collect this from here to this portion of code you have to collect. So what you have to do now, I will show you. Just copy this code and go to the blogger HTML view page. Yes, paste it. Yes. Now you have to replace the code. You have to replace the code from where this download ID equal from here to the last part of this code. You have to replace this code. You have to put here your own audio downloadable link. So now I will download a song. I will download a song. Yes. Yes, this is my song. Now I will upload it on my Google Drive. Let's go to the Google Drive. Where you can store it, upload it, you have to find out. Now I will go to the shared with me. Then I will search my desired folder. Yes, this is my desired folder. Now I will upload my song here. Just click the plus icon, then file upload, and go to your destination folder where you download this. I will download this in download section and music. This is my song. The song is uploaded here. Button, go to the share and share. Yes, you have to change it. You have to just change it anyone within link. From the pop-up, from the drop-down menu, you have to change the general access anyone with the link. Then copy the link. Then create a notepad, open a notepad for paste it. Yes, you have to collect it, dear viewers. You have to collect it, this portion of download link, this portion just from the extension. Yes, this portion, just copy it, then go to the HTML page. Now we have to replace this code. We have to replace this, then paste it. Yes, done. Now we'll go to the compose view and we will now check it. Let's go. Now you have to publish it. You have to publish it, then go to the view. Yes, this is the audio play button. This is the audio play button. Now I will click it and the song will, yes, started to play. Wow, what a magic. What a magic. Now, if you want to download this audio content, then you have to click the three dot menu here. Yes, this is the download. And you can create a problem here. Now I will download it. Yes, save. The audio is being downloaded. The audio is being downloading. We will check now. This is the destination folder of my download option. Check it. Yes, download complete. Complete. Dear viewers, this is my tutorial. I hope you enjoy this video, and now you will be able to add a audio play button with download option in on your blogger website or blog site. So uh, no more today. I will invite you to watch my next tech related video on my channel. Until then, Allah Hafiz, and you are requested to again subscribe my channel before saying goodbye. Bye bye. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more information and regular update. Please stay tuned with me www.lutfor11.com. Thanks.